How to convert Lazada coins to Gcash. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert Lazada coins to Gcash. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you've installed the Lazada app. After you've done that, head over to the app. Also, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the account section on the bottom right. Tap on account, and after you're here, if you scroll down a bit, you should find an option called MYR. Now you will see it under your My Lazada wallet. Tap on MYR and now you're on the wallet. Now from here you can access your Lazada coins. Now all you need to do is convert or transfer your Lazada coins to your Gcash. So find the option that will enable you to do so. And after you tap on that very option, all you now need to do is activate and verify your Lazada wallet. And then you will need to head over to the transfer section. Simply type in the number for your Gcash wallet and verify that. After you tap on get code, all you need to do is go through with the process and you'll have converted your Lazada coins to your Gcash. And that is basically it guys. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.